Hi guys, welcome back to Italam. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you how you can start making money by selling simple ebooks online. Now, to begin with, let's see some of my working proof. Okay, as you can see, I came to this platform and published only 5 books. Now it was just for me to test to see whether it's working and all that. And as you can see, in November, I made $3.73, and last month I made $4, and so, and also this month I've also sold another ebook and for $2.49. But this is just passive. I only uploaded only 5 ebooks, and as you can see, this is working, and it's a far cry from the 100 I need. Now when you're going to do this method, you'll need to publish at least 100 simple ebooks for you before you can start seeing something that makes a lot of sense. But still, this is money nonetheless. So this proves that this method works, and I'm going to show you how you're going to go about getting started on this platform and also creating your ebooks, and so that you can start making money. Now, who do you who should do this method? Now, first of all, if you want to make money online the easy way, now this method is going to really work for you. And if you also hate having to generate traffic to your offers online now, and you are still struggling also, now this method is going to be perfect for you because you don't have to really drive traffic to anything. You will only simply have to submit your ebook and you are done. Now, thirdly, if you don't have time or you don't want to create your own content, this is really going to also help because I'm going to show you a way you can be getting your own content in an easier way whereby you don't have to spend time creating your own unique products. Now, fourth, if you failed to make money before, now this is really going to work for you. It really doesn't matter who you are, what you've been doing online, and then that have made you to fail and all that. This is really going to work for you. 5, if you don't know where to start online, say you just came aboard and you don't really know where to start. There's so many ways to make money online that you don't know exactly how you're going to do it. Now this method is really going to be a very good place for you to start because not only is it passive, it's simple to do it. So, and lastly, finally, if you're tired of getting conned by so-called gurus, you buy products after products and you really can't see how they are helping you because you're it's like you're on a loop of just buying, consuming, and you are not really seeing any return on your investment. Though this method is going to break that for you, and then you're going to break free and start generating money online. So this, if you lie in this category, this method is really going to work for you. Now, in this series, I'm going to split it into like 3 or 4 videos. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to set up your own publishing account on this website over here. And then secondly, I'm also in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can be creating now these simple ebooks to publish, how I've done it, how you can do it, other ways to do it, so that you can get ideas flowing on the type of ebooks you can be creating and publishing on the platform. And then on the last video, I'm going to also show you how you're now going to upload these ebooks once you've created them, so that you can now start seeing the process of publishing the books and also start making money. Okay, now to start off with, let's now go and open your free account. I'm going to leave this link for you below. So to start with, let's go. Now you're going to go to this platform. I'm going to leave the link to it below. I'm going to click on the sign up button. Okay, then here is where you're going to fill in your details. It's really simple to get started. Now let's going to fill in, let's the Theo James. Then the pen name is going to be the name that you're going to be associated with your ebooks. So in my case, I'm going to go just Theo James like that. Then for the email, I can choose the good email because you're going to be using this one to receive money. So preferably put your own people email over there Okay, then password. Okay, if you want to be receiving their marketing news, tips and tricks, now this is also going to help if you want. If you don't want, leave it unchecked and then just simply register. Then you're going to have to read over their terms of service, and then I'll just simply accept, and then your account is going to get created, and then you'll be now able to log in. Okay. Okay, fill in the captcha. Now, once you've created your own account, it is going to be blank. Just say cool thanks or just cancel. Now, we are going to go over how to upload your book in the third video, but basically this is now the process of opening your own account on Draft to Digital. You know, when you come over to the accounts, you're going to see other settings, payment, publishes what, and all that. You know, there are things that you can later on go through and see what they are, and also the payment options is where you're going to specify how you're going to get paid, and after you've accrued how much royalties. The reports section is going to be where now you'll be seeing your how many books you've sold last month, this month, and how much of the royalties you've accrued over this period. Now, basically, this is now how you're going to be creating this is now how you're going to create your own free account on the platform. There's nothing to pay, and also there's nothing also to confirm. So basically, that's it. And then lastly, I want to tell you that this method works, as you've seen. Now, this is only from 5 ebooks, and it's not every book that I've sold. It's only like 2 of them. So you can even just assess, if let's say you've published like 300 books on this platform, how much would that be to you? And this money comes in passively every single month. I didn't have to do anything else, but as you can see, every single month I've been selling a book or 2. Now, this method works. So all I would ask is that you take action on what I'm going to show you and teach you. And to be honest with you, you're going to see results if you're going to follow through. Now, lastly, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel, because this now how I'll be teaching you. The days of me blogging and writing long over. So if you've been an avid reader of my italam.com blog, now this is going to be the way I'm now be teaching you from this year onwards. I will be teaching you anything that I come across and anything that is working for me, so that you can take action and see exactly how I'm doing it, so that you too can also follow through without getting lost. So make sure that you hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and also subscribe to the channel for more working trainings. Now, and until next time, stay blessed.